background of this study and related research is centered on COVID-19 pandemic and its effects on e-commerce in India. It discusses how the pandemic had a positive impact on e-commerce, resulting in growth of sales and online shopping in India. The shift from traditional in-person shopping to online shopping, driven by the convenience and discounts offered, is emphasized, as well as increase in the usage of internet and digital usage. The study's goal is to compare the sales of Indian e-commerce before and after COVID-19 pandemic and comprehend the factors which influence customer choice for e-commerce platforms and their satisfaction level with online shopping. The aims are to conduct a comparative study of e-commerce platform revenue and customer satisfaction after COVID crisis in India, explain the impact of COVID-19 on Indian e-commerce by considering e-commerce revenue metrics, to compare and contrast Indian e-commerce platform revenue to determine the leading player in Indian market after the crisis, to compare e-commerce websites' respective customer satisfaction and their determinant to understand the reasons behind particular e-commerce platform success. The survey conducted as a part of research utilized a quantitative approach to gather data on customer satisfaction metrics and preferences for e-commerce platforms. The methodologies used were survey design. A comprehensive questionnaire consisting 31 questions was designed to capture a wide range of insights. The questions covered various aspects like demographics, online shopping, frequency, preferred e-commerce platforms, and factors influencing choice of e-commerce platform. Data collection. The survey was distributed using Google Forms, a widely used tool for creating surveys. The survey link was circulated using social media like WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Instagram to reach a diverse audience across India. Participant selection. The survey aimed to collect responses from individuals across different ages, genders, and geographical locations. The goal was to ensure broad representation of Indian population to prevent biases in the data collected. Data management. The responses from the survey were collected and stored in Microsoft Excel for data management. This allowed for efficient sorting and filtering of the data based on demographics and responses to specific questions. Data visualization. The survey data was transformed into visually appealing charts, bar graph, pie charts using Microsoft Excel and Tableau. This visualization approach facilitated a clear and insightful understanding of the responses and trends. Analysis and interpretation. The survey responses were analyzed to gain insights into customer preferences, satisfaction metrics, and the rationale behind choosing specific e-commerce platforms. The data interpretation process involved sorting and categorizing the responses based on customer demographics such as group, gender, and city of residence. Overall, the survey methodology aimed to gather a comprehensive understanding of customer preference and satisfaction related to online shopping and e-commerce platforms. The use of Google Forms for data collection, coupled with robust data visualization techniques, allowed for a thorough analysis of the survey responses. The conclusions and recommendations gained from the document are: correlation between e-commerce platform revenue and customer satisfaction. The research concludes that e-commerce platform revenue is not positively correlated with the customer satisfaction preferences. While customer satisfaction is important for e-commerce growth and attracting repeated customers, it alone cannot guarantee increase in sales and revenue for the platform. Impact of COVID-19 on e-commerce revenue. The document highlights significant increase in revenue for Indian e-commerce platforms after COVID crisis. It also emphasizes that factors other than customer satisfaction like discount, coupon play a vital role in driving the revenue growth. Revenue discrepancies among the e-commerce websites. The research reveals significant differences in revenue generated by different platforms, indicating that customer satisfaction alone does not determine the revenue generation. Recommendations: consider additional factors. E-commerce companies are advised to consider factors beyond customer satisfaction, such as trust in the e-commerce website, genuine products and services, easy return policy, after sales service to drive the revenue growth. Focus on service offerings. The document suggests that e-commerce websites should prioritize high-speed delivery and easy return policies, as these factors gained importance after COVID-19 pandemic. Strategic planning. E-commerce companies are advised to develop strategic plans that encompass a wide range of factors, including customer satisfaction, trust, service offerings, and marketing strategies to drive a sustained growth. Thank you.